Welcome to Crowded Lab. AppSumo Sumo Day is now on extended access. It means if you have AppSumo Plus membership, you have almost a day more to grab one of those 24 deals that they brought back. And in this video, I would like to talk about one of the deals. It is called Brilliant Directories, so you still have time to grab that deal with additional 10% discount. And with AppSumo Plus membership, which you need to buy separately, you get additional 10% discount on all of your purchases for the next year. All links will be in the description. And as well, in the description, I will point to a few of my favorite deals on this sale event. All right, so what is Brilliant Directories? Well, first of all, just look at the number of positive reviews. 800, close to 5 tacos reviews. So this tool delivers on its promise. And actually, what can you do with that? It has one purpose. Launch, manage, and monetize your membership website. And we'll see some examples. What can you build with this tool? Let's quickly scroll to the license tiers first. And all license tiers will give you one lifetime website. And with the first tier, you are getting only 250 members. Maybe for a particular industry in your specific city or area, it can be enough. But of course, with tools like that, personally, I would like to get more features, maybe at least license tier 2. You get some additional features like click to call for your members. And starting with license tier 3, you're getting 10,000 members and full feature set. And with license tier 6, you can get 100,000 members. I have watched the guide how to set up this tool, and I will show you few examples what can you achieve just to give you an idea what is possible. So you will have the admin page where you will be able to configure and customize everything you need for your website. For example, this is how the landing page looks like out of the box. This is the default one. And during this demo, they changed the configuration without any coding and made this a website for Portland city contractors. So, for example, electricians, plumbers, can register here on this website. Of course, you will need to promote this specific website and you can connect your own domain. So people will go here, will register, will promote themselves here. And this can be anything. For example, it can be yoga teachers, it can be cooking community. So let's move to the fun part. You buy this tool and how you can earn money. So of course, you will need to make your site popular, and then you can configure membership. So in this case, plumbers and electricians will be paying, let's say, $20 monthly, and these settings you configure how to promote this membership, but you can say that if you register for this plan, you will be able to get listed in 10 categories like electrician, plumber, and what else can you do? You can link to your own website, and you can receive free views. So people will be registering, you can collect monthly fees, or there is a backend configuration where, for example, you can set up it as yearly subscription, so you get more money upfront. So yeah, this is the demo website, and by the way, you will be able to connect your own domain. You will need to purchase it separately, and then later you will be able to connect your Brilliant Directories membership website to own domain. So this is just a demo website. For example, we can see you can search for the members, you can contact them. This is the information a particular member can post. So again, another example, you can run a community of pet owners or anything related to pets in your specific city, or maybe in several cities, in a particular state or in your country. So you can set up different business categories. Maybe you can focus only on go-karts in your area. Maybe you will target other business areas. You can set up the events, coupons. You can organize job listings. You can post galleries. You can sell regular products or digital products. Or you can even list properties here. So let's move to the conclusion. Well, Brilliant Directories is a solid tool which delivers on its promise. You can organize membership website connected to your own domain, and you have all the capabilities how to configure from different building blocks a full-blown membership website. And you can configure different membership tiers, so people will register and will pay you monthly or yearly fee so they can get listed there. But of course, you will need to make this website popular, so people would want to register there. What else can you do here? You can even sell leads to the businesses which are registered on your platform. Yep, as mentioned here. So there are different revenue streams here. Well, that concludes my quick review of Brilliant Directories. To get this tool and my recommendation for Sumo Day products, please check the links in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.